Hey friends, welcome back to the channel where we make AI simple, fun, and practical. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because today you're going to see how Gemini can help you create stunning storybooks and catalogs with just your imagination and a few prompts. Want to create a storybook for your kids, a personalized gift for your loved ones, or even a catalog or portfolio for your business, all with the help of AI. What if I told you you can do it in just a few clicks using simple prompts? In today's video, I'll walk you through it step by step and then share the link so you can try it too to design beautiful, customized books, whether it's bedtime stories, product catalogs, or creative portfolios. And the best part? You don't need design skills. AI does the heavy lifting for you. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel where we make AI simple, fun, and practical. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because today you're going to see how this website can help you create stunning storybooks and catalogs with just your imagination and a few prompts. First, head over to the website shown on the screen. This is where the magic happens. The interface is super clean. You'll see a prompt box where you can start describing the kind of book or catalog you want. Now comes the fun part, deciding what you want to create. Want to make a bedtime story for your child? Or want a gift for your partner, or for business owners, or for creatives? Your prompt is the blueprint. The more specific you are, the better the results. You can always refine them to suit your goals. For example, I'm going to try this prompt for creating a storybook for my toddler. Will be like, create a colorful children's storybook for a toddler who loves cars and vehicles. The main character is a friendly little red car named Zumi who goes on an adventure through the city. Along the way, Zumi meets different vehicles, like a school bus, a fire truck, a garbage truck, and a police car. Each vehicle introduces itself and explains what it does in a fun, simple way that a toddler can understand. The story should be short, playful, and full of sound effects like vroom, honk, beep, whoosh. Each page should include bright, cartoon-style illustrations of the vehicles with smiling faces to make them feel alive and friendly. End the story with Zumi returning home, happy after meeting new friends. Want to see the outcome? Gemini doesn't just write text, it generates images and layouts based on your style. You can add prompts like, use bright pastel colors, illustrate in a comic book style, make it look like a luxury product catalog. Think of it like giving directions to an artist, except this artist is AI and it never gets tired. Once you hit generate, Gemini will create your storybook or catalog with text and images. Don't stop at the first draft. You can refine it by saying things like, make the story shorter for a 5-year-old, add more product details for page 3, change the art style to watercolor instead of digital. This step is all about iteration. The more feedback you give, the closer Gemini gets to your vision. After refining, you can save your storybook or catalog as a PDF or share it as a link. Imagine gifting your kid a storybook where they are the main character, or showing your clients a professional catalog that you created in minutes. That's the power of AI here. So let's recap. With Gemini's Storybook tool, you can create storybooks for kids or loved ones, catalogs for your products or services, portfolios to showcase your work, all with simple prompts. No design skills required. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI tips and creative ideas. Drop a comment below. What would you create first? A storybook, a catalog, or a portfolio? And don't forget, you can try this right now at gemini.google.com/storybook. Until next time, keep creating and let artificial intelligence bring your ideas to life. Bye.